When the tornado came through and it was at a level 3, a tornado of that magnitude basically has never touched the urban core of the city of St. Louis. So it was quite devastating. Here at Wesley House, the damage was all over the building. Half of the roof was hanging off the side of the building. The other half was sitting in the parking lot, and we could see straight up through the sky. We were closed about 8 months. That meant that kids were not getting access to technology outside of school. Families were not able to be a part of our food pantry program. Seniors weren't able to come to the building and take computer classes. So it was pretty devastating for our client base to not have access to this building when it's a big part of their life. The Spectrum Digital Education Grant helped refurbish the tech lab space after the tornado. It was a total restoration project.
We're glad to be back, trying to learn how to do computer. Someone will teach you or show you how to work it. I wish we can come every day to get on the computer. I think we're gonna have a ball this year. We're gonna make up for the lost time.
The Wesley House and Spectrum relationship, it's not just about the dollars, it's just not about the space. We formed a partnership that's making an impact in the community.